So in the last video, just we knew about the themes and the activation of the theme. So here, just we'll be knowing about the plugins, right? So plugin is nothing, it's a kind of software which extends the functionality of your website. So according to your need, according to your requirements, simply you can install that plugin. So here the three options just you can see like install the plugins, add new and plugin editor. So if you know any coding or if you have coding knowledge, so simply you can edit the plugins. And if you don't have any coding knowledge, requesting you please don't touch on this part. So in installed plugins, all the installed plugin list just you can see. So for example, I'm clicking on this installed plugins. So here just we can see by default two plugins has been installed by WordPress. Okay, so here just will be making it totally clear, totally clean. So we don't require this plugin. So simply what we'll do just will be deleting this plugin. Fine. So here the plugins it has been deleted and no plugin is in our site now. And for adding the new plugins, simply we can click on add new from the left side or from the top, just you can click on add new. Okay. So if you'll come over here, so you will be able to see the number of plugins over here. Simply if you'll scroll down, just you can check it on. And according to you, just you can uh, install this plugin to your site, or if you know the plugin name, so from the search box just you can search the plugin as well. And here just you can see featured, popular, recommended. So simply you can also check on this one like popular plugins. So yes, here you can see these are the popular plugins that you can install for your website as per your requirement. And here recommended, so by default you will be getting some recommendation to install that plugin. So it is up to you whether you want to install it or not, or in fact while installing anything some notification to come to install the plugin. So it will be up to you. So it will be required for you, so simply you can go with that, and if it is not required you can ignore that part. So that all things will be knowing in the upcoming videos while creating our website, while selecting any one of the theme. So we will be working any one of the theme, and accordingly this will be updating the plugins, and will be customizing the theme as well.